again. So we've got 6 inches done of the rows, and it should look straight going up both sides. You should still have 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you have less stitches, it means one slipped off somewhere, or you accidentally did 2 together, and that would have narrowed down your work. If you have more, that means you accidentally looped it around an extra time somewhere. Either it's an actual stitch or it's just an extra loop. So you'll want to just go check and make sure that all the loops are actual stitches. If it's not an actual stitch, you can just carefully go back and unloop it. And inside your yarn label, there is a measuring tape, and you can use that to measure. That's right at 6. And so this fabric is really stretchy, and so what we can do is just stretch it out a little bit at this point. There we go. And you can just measure it again. Yeah, almost 8 inches now. So you have about 8 inches done of your headband already. Look at you, cruising along. Alright, so we're going to continue to go on. You could hold it around your head at this point if you want. It's still a little small, but you could hold it around your head. This is going to be at the front of your, at the middle front of your forehead. You don't have a back forehead. You have a this will just be at the middle of your forehead, and then this is going to be the part that comes and wraps around your head. So you'll just keep going until when you wrap it around your head, it fits your head nicely, or the person you're making it for. And then once you get it to the point where, okay, this wraps around my head nicely, and it's long enough, I stretched it a little bit. You'll want to stretch it a little bit when you wrap it around your head, depending on how tight you like it. If you want it really tight around your head, then you can stretch it more. If you want it just like a little bit tight around your head, you can stretch it a little bit. When you get to the length you want, we'll come back and I'll show you how to finish the edge and then pull into the cute little gathered headband, just like this. Alright, and I'll see you in a little bit.